To make a delicious Zinger burger, you'll need some basic ingredients and follow these general steps. Keep in mind that specific recipes may vary slightly depending on personal preferences. Here's a classic Zinger burger recipe. Ingredients. For the chicken. 1. 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. 2. 1 cup all-purpose flour. 3. 1 teaspoon salt. 4. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. 5. 1/2 teaspoon paprika. 6. 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder. 7. 1/2 teaspoon onion powder. 8. 1/2 teaspoon cayenne pepper, adjust to your spice preference. 9. 1 cup buttermilk. 10. Vegetable oil, for frying. For the burger assembly. 1. Burger buns. 2. Lettuce leaves. 3. Sliced tomatoes. 4. Sliced onions. 5. Sliced cheese, optional. 6. Mayonnaise. 7. Hot sauce or chili sauce, optional. 8. Pickles, optional. Instructions. Prepare the chicken. Pound the chicken breasts to an even thickness, about 1/2 to 3/4 inch thick. This will help the chicken cook evenly and get crispy. Marinate the chicken. In a bowl, mix the buttermilk, salt, black pepper, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and cayenne pepper. Add the chicken breasts to the buttermilk mixture, making sure they are fully coated. Cover the bowl and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes, ideally, marinate for a few hours or overnight for more flavor. Prepare the breading. In a shallow dish, mix the all-purpose flour, salt, black pepper, paprika, garlic powder, and onion powder. Bread the chicken. Remove the marinated chicken from the buttermilk mixture and let any excess buttermilk drip off. Dredge the chicken in the seasoned flour mixture, pressing the flour onto the chicken to create a nice coating. Set the breaded chicken aside on a plate. Fry the chicken. In a large skillet or deep fryer, heat enough vegetable oil to submerge the chicken. Fry the breaded chicken over medium-high heat until it's golden brown and cooked through. This should take about 4-6 minutes per side, depending on the thickness of the chicken breasts. Ensure the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius. Assemble the Zinger burger. Toast the burger buns if desired. Spread mayonnaise and hot sauce or chili sauce, if using, on the bottom half of the bun. Place a lettuce leaf on top of the sauce, followed by the fried chicken. Add sliced tomatoes, onions, pickles, if using, and cheese, if using. Top with the other half of the bun. Serve and enjoy. Your Zinger burger is ready. Serve it with your favorite side dishes like fries or coleslaw. Feel free to customize the burger with your preferred toppings and sauces. Enjoy your homemade Zinger burger.